In this video, I will show you how to give someone access to Google Drive link. To get started, what you want to do is head over to your Google Drive. So if you open up an internet browser and come across to drive.google.com, and if you're not already, just log into your account. Now, once you're logged in, you want to find the file or folder that you want to share access for. So I'm going to use this photos folder as an example. Once you've found the file or folder you want to give someone access to, come to the right hand side and click onto the three dots over here. What that's going to do is bring up a menu, and on this menu, you want to hover over the share option, which is going to bring up some further options, and from here you want to click the share button. Now what that's going to do is open a window like this. The first thing you're going to want to do is come down to the general access section, and if this is set to restricted, you want to give it a click and change it to anyone with the link. Now once you've done that, you can also set the permission for what you want someone to do that has access to this file or folder. So if you click onto the drop down box, you can just get them to view the file or folder, or if you want them to make changes and edit the file or folder, you need to select the editor role. Once that's done, come up to the search box at the top here, and then type the name of the person that you want to give this file access to in the box here. So what you can do is just simply enter their email address and then select it. You can see we've got the appropriate permission box on the right hand side where we can change this, and you can also send a message if you want to as well. Now once that's done, just simply click the send button. What that's going to do is send an invite link to that person's email, or alternatively there is a button here which you can click to copy the link, and of course you can then paste that and send that whichever method you prefer, whether that's through Messenger or another email service, and that's going to give that person access to that Google Drive link. So that's how to give someone access to Google Drive link. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Google Drive and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.